Welcome to Capital Luxury, where we bring you the most extravagant and opulent stories from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of super wealthy real estate, exploring the most expensive private residential property in the world, Antilia. This 27-story structure, located in Mumbai, India, stands tall at 568 feet, offering its residents unparalleled views of the Arabian Sea. But Antilia's beauty and extravagance go far beyond its height. From its luxurious amenities to its unique symbolism and religious motives, this property is truly one of a kind. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the design and features of Antilia, exploring its massive multi-level car lot, 3 helipads, 9 elevators, a 2-story recreation center, a spa, and a ballroom adorned with crystal chandeliers. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll also take a closer look at Antilia's impressive size, coming in at 400,000 square feet. Despite being home to just 6 people, the property is designed to accommodate a staff of 600 cooks, cleaners, and security personnel. Antilia is the ultimate status symbol, a monument to one man's immense wealth. The property is owned by Mukesh Ambani, one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $100 billion. Ambani is the chairman of Reliance Industries, a conglomerate that operates in several industries, including petrochemicals, refining, and telecommunications. The construction of Antilia cost over $2 billion, and it's not hard to see why. The mansion is packed with luxurious amenities that cater to every need and desire. It has a multi-level car lot that can hold 168 vehicles, 3 helipads on the roof, 9 elevators, a 2-story recreation center, a spa, and a ballroom adorned with crystal chandeliers. The property also has multiple balconies and services with luscious gardens, perfect for enjoying the beautiful Mumbai weather. And if you're feeling too hot, why not step into the ice room, equipped with a snow generator meant to mimic a winter wonderland. But the features of Antilia are not just meant for entertainment. The vegetation attached to the sides of the building is meant to absorb sunlight to keep the interior cool. And with the hot and humid climate in Mumbai, that's a real game changer. Now, let's talk about the size and staff of Antilia. The size of the mansion may seem excessive, but when you consider the number of staff per family member, it's not that unreasonable. The property is designed to accommodate a staff of 600 cooks, cleaners, and security personnel to ensure that every aspect of life at Antilia runs smoothly. This is the level of luxury and service that the super wealthy demand. What's truly unique about Antilia is the symbolism and religious motives in its design. The mansion is symbolic, reflecting Hindu influence and religious motives. There are 6 sections of the home meant to reflect earth, water, fire, air, sound, and light, placed from bottom to top to mimic the ascension to enlightenment. The sun and the lotus are recurring motifs meant to represent rebirth, and the materials used to stand for these themes include marble, crystal, and the mother of pearl. There is a temple in the home where the family goes to pray regularly, and there are statues of Hindu deities throughout the house. The religious symbolism and motives in Antilia make it more than just an extravagant home. It's a work of art. But with great wealth comes great responsibility. The construction of Antilia drew criticism from some quarters for its opulence. So, what does Antilia say about our society as a whole? Some may argue that it represents the growing wealth gap and the increasing concentration of wealth in the hands of a few. The fact that a property like Ancilia can exist while millions of people in India and around the world struggle with poverty and lack of basic necessities is a stark reminder of the inequality that persists in our world. However, others may argue that Ancilia represents the pinnacle of human achievement, a testament to what can be accomplished with hard work, innovation, and creativity. It's a symbol of progress and innovation, a shining example of what can be accomplished when one has the resources and determination to make their dreams a reality. Regardless of what you believe, there's no denying that Ancilia is an impressive feat of engineering and design. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and a reminder of what can be accomplished when we set our minds to something. In conclusion, Ancilia is an incredible mansion that offers a glimpse into the world of the super wealthy. From its luxurious amenities to its unique symbolism and religious motives, this property is truly one of a kind. While some may argue that it represents the growing wealth gap and inequality in our society, others see it as a testament to human achievement and progress. Regardless of your viewpoint, there's no denying that Ancilia is a fascinating property that will continue to capture our imaginations for years to come. Thanks for watching Capital Luxury. We hope you enjoyed this episode and gained valuable insights on luxury lifestyle and business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on luxury living, entrepreneurship, and investment opportunities. Stay updated on the latest trends, news, and developments in the luxury industry. Also, feel free to share your thoughts, comments, and suggestions with us. We appreciate your feedback and strive to deliver the best content that meets your expectations. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode of Capital Luxury.